So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Launch Free campaign, we go about looking at how we can fix the blank screen issue on a Samsung M31s. So here I have the Samsung M31s with me and this blanked out, and let's look at what are the possible quick fixes for such a case arising. So one thing that you can do is just take the phone to the side. This is the volume up, this is the volume down, and this is the power button for this handset. So like you press the volume down and the power button together and like just hold them together for some time until you see the Samsung logo come on the screen, and in a short while the phone should boot up. So I'll just explain the step again. So in case the blank screen appears on your Samsung phone and on the M31s device, what you can do is take the phone to the side and press the volume down and the power button, both of them together, hold on to it for some time until you see the Samsung logo on screen. So this is method 1. The method 2 is very similar to method 1. The only difference being here, like the volume up button needs to be pressed along with the power button. So I press the volume up and the power button, both of them together, until the Samsung logo comes on the screen, and there you go. You can see the phone starting to boot up. So this is what you need to do for the second method, and this is simply it's called the force restart method. Here you will see a screen with options like this which can be navigated with the volume up and volume down. So if I use the volume down, you will see I can navigate through this. So I want to use this option, which is like reboot system now, and whenever you want to do a certain thing, you just press the power button. So it means that the reboot system now should work. So once I do that, the phone will enter into the normal reboot state. So this is the second method wherein you force restart the phone using the volume up and the power button. Now please do understand that this is specific to Samsung M31s. So hopefully these two methods should work for your device. The first one was like the volume down and the power, and the second one was like the volume up and the power button pressed together. Now the third method may appear a bit funny, but it's true that this also works for certain people. What you are supposed to do is like tap your phone gently in the front. Just keep tapping it for some time, and more importantly in the back and more towards the center, and then gradually outside. What happens in process is that if there is some weak connections amidst the parts, or some weak peripherals, or some connections may have gone kind of wrong, so you are attempting to kind of just put them back in place when you do this. So just kindly keep tapping, and then like our preferred method of like pressing the volume down and then the power button together until you see the Samsung logo, and there you go. So now the phone will reboot itself. I repeat that this process can also work, and many people have reported this working. What you effectively do is kind of make the loose connections come back in place when you tap the phone in the back like this. And also you can do it in the front. It's quite possible that some of the parts which are responsible for booting up the phone, they may have gone loose. So hopefully this works as well. And now for the last of the methods, it's quite possible that your phone may have drained up. So it's important that you go ahead and charge the device so that the phone gets at least some juice, at least say 5 to 6%. So go ahead and charge the phone for some time. Once you have like ascertained that the phone has at least some battery in it, what you can thereafter do is resort to the same method wherein you press the volume down and the power button, both of them together, until you see the Samsung logo come on the screen, and thereafter the phone will boot or start. So hopefully all of these methods, some of them should help you get your phone back. Please also understand why this happens. This may happen because of a software issue. It's because of some app which is playing havoc with the operating system, or it may happen because of a hardware issue wherein there are some serious panel issues. So your screen or something, some hardware may have gone wrong. Now if it's a software issue, the methods that we have suggested will work. If it's a hardware issue wherein there is some panel issue actually, If there is an underlying panel issue, then the methods may work, but it will again keep happening back again and again. And that is the time when you should be taking this to a Samsung local store, and they will help replace the screen if it's within warranty. So I hope that doesn't happen, that it's a simple software issue and that you can fix it with the simple volume down and the power button, which is one of the most popular methods. So please let us know in the comment section which method worked for you, how you got your phone back to life, whether it was a lifesaver, and how much it means to you. Also, please subscribe to the channel, tap on the bell icon for notifications, and surely share this with your friends on social network like Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, and other wonderful things. You're liking the video, you're sharing, it really helps the video reach out to newer audiences, and it really helps me promote my work. Until next time, it's me, Amlan, signing off.